Hey everyone, this is Ron with Legend Brands. Did you know that thousands of restoration companies use our HEPA air scrubbers every day to protect buildings, homes, and their inhabitants from harmful airborne contaminants? But what about carpet cleaning professionals? The nature of the work that we do as cleaners causes a great deal of air disturbance to the indoor environment. I mean, think about it. We're moving in and out of that environment. We're moving hoses, tools, other pieces of equipment in and out of that facility. Not to mention the air movers that we use to dry the carpet at the end of the job. All of this disturbance can potentially expose your client to dust, allergens, or other harmful contaminants. Today's consumer is more aware than ever of the effect that outside sources can have on indoor air quality. If you're a cleaner that prides yourself on your company's reputation and strive to set yourself apart from the competition, then you should consider adding a HEPA 700 to your cleaning process. Imagine the first impression when you show up at a customer's door and the first thing you do is walk in and install a professional air scrubbing device to protect their home, their family, or their business. This is a low-cost investment that will produce big rewards with those customer satisfaction scores on Yelp and those 5-star coveted reviews that we all want. To learn more about the HEPA 700, please visit our website at legendbrands.com. Thank you.